Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we look at how Manchester United would be set up for Ruben Amorim's first game against Ipswich Town on Sunday. With games coming thick and fast in the coming weeks, there is lack of training time for sure. As Amorim indicated, the basic principles will remain in any system and backs his players to adapt to his new ideas. Long-time absentee Luke Shaw's back to full training and is expected to get his minutes as he builds his fitness level. New signing Lenny Yoro will be in contention for a start on Sunday, along with the midfield young Kobe Mino. Lisandro Martinez and Amad Diallo are expected to be ready for the weekend. So will be Bruno Fernandes after missing his second international game due to suspension. Amorim prefers the 3-4-3 setup and would like to play from the back. This is the foundation of his setup. The predicted line for Sunday would feature mostly the same players that faced Leicester, with few changes expected. The ever-present Onana on the goal, Lene Yoro to start on the right side of the back three, Delight in the center, and Martinez on the left side of the solid back three for Manchester United. Masrai, who's been impressive, excellent for Manchester United so far, will fit in the right side, and the Portuguese Dalo on the left side of the midfield four. The solid defensive-minded Ugarte partnering the Brazilian Casemiro in the middle makes the midfield four. The offensive setup front three will be expected to be trickier. For this game, Bruno, Rashford, and Højlund would need to be starting, with Hamad, Garnacho, and Xerxes waiting in the wings. There is definitely uncertainty surrounding Amorim's playing 11, his ideas, and how quickly Manchester United can adapt to his tactics. Manchester United have bigger tests coming up as well in the form of away games against Arsenal and City during December. Moram's first and Manchester United next game will be eagerly covered and scrutinized as ever. A good start away from home will be excellent for Moram and Manchester United. A boost of confidence and a step forward in the Premier League table. A win in the Europa Cup next will be an added advantage that will take them forward in the right direction. Well, that's it from my side. Please provide your comments, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such reviews. Until next time, take care.